Ukulele lesson for beginners number 4, picking the strings. The simplest way to pick strings on the ukulele is with your thumb. And you can just pick the strings from top down like this if you want. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you can also do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also do this helpful exercise. 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. When we pick the strings, we're only picking one string at a time or 2 strings at a time. Otherwise, you'd be playing chords if you do all of them. It's called strumming. You can also use a guitar pick, which is helpful for picking fast notes. You're going to hold the pick between your pointer finger and middle finger and thumb like this, or just between your thumb and your pointer finger. You can hold it like this, or like this. You want the pointy part to point at the ukulele. You can do those same exercises. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have fun!